What's going on, everybody? Today we have a package from Blade HQ. This would be, I'm assuming, my Spyderco Tanto Satin version. So let's get to it. This is the original DLC version. The biggest box for the littlest box. And there she is. All right. Oh yeah. Needs a little wrist on that one. And there she is. Finally, the satin version of the PM2 from Blade HQ. Still an exclusive from Blade HQ. And there it is. And as you can tell, they still put the pocket clip that way. Not sure why they do that. I'm sure there's some sort of reasoning behind it. But so there she is. I have been waiting for the satin version for a while now. Ultimately, I plan on putting some titanium scales on it to really give it a very different look. You know, G10's okay. You know, plain old black G10, okay. We got it. 50 million knives with you know, G10. So, still CPM, S30V. We can pick that up without too much glare. Maybe not. There she is. Golden Colorado, USA Earth. Yep. So there she is. Two side by side. Yeah, so looking good. Looking good. I like it. So haven't decided quite yet. I'm a little on the fence of which titanium scales I want to get. So we'll see. It's a little stiff, needs to be broken in, but other than that, she is good to go. We'll get some, I'll figure out, I'm on the fence of exactly which titanium scales to get. So we'll figure that one out, and maybe I'll do a video on when I install them and stuff like that. So that's just a quick video for today. There you go, guys. The new PM2 satin version. Tanto. I still believe they still have some in stock. You know, I got into the mad rush of when they went on, and it was the crazy fanatic thing, and the computer system almost crashing, all that fun stuff. It's a good time. It's good times when you're trying to battle it out, and you don't know if it's going to sell out in the first 2 minutes or not. But they did get a new restock. They did sell out a couple days later. And they just got a restock a couple days ago, like 3 or 4 days ago. So they were still in stock last time I knew. So if you guys want one, go check it out. The DLC versions are still totally sold out. I don't think they made that many. They went pretty quick. I mean, I think they went within the first 10 or 15 minutes. So they went quick. They went quicker this time than they did the first time. So I think they had a little bit more the last time of the DLC. But that's it for today, guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We always got a lot more content coming for you guys, all right? Catch you on the next one. Bye.